start today?
Yes, ma'am.
Very enthusiastic morning, everyone. How are you all? I'm also fine. So today we are going to start. Today we are going to start an very interesting topic, group discussion topic. Online classes are better or offline classes are better. Here are many students. Some students they will speak online classes are better, and some will speak offline classes are better. So today we are going to start. First is Lovely. Lovely wants to speak.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Lovely Gupta, and from my point of view, I can say that online classes are better because, in pandemic, we were not able to attend the classes of offline because of the virus. But in online classes, we can take the class. Online classes we can take from anywhere. If we are sick or we are present anywhere, we can take online classes. And we are going somewhere, then also we can take online classes. And from in online classes, the parents also know that what their children are doing in front of them. Like in offline classes, many times teachers say to the students that call your parents, but students do not respond to them. But in online classes, teacher can directly speak to the parents. Thank you.
Yes. Lovely spoke better कि when we are sick, so we can attend the class at the home. So what is your point?
My point.
Your name?
Good morning. My name is Suhani Jain, and I am from offline classes. I want to say that offline classes much better. I have a cross point that she spoke. She spoke very well, but I have cross point that she is saying that we can take online classes from everywhere, but sometimes connection is very poor. That some students maternal family live in village, that they go village, but in village network connection is very poor. She's saying that in online parents are sitting with them, but in offline classes teachers see all of the students. They are disciplined in front of teacher, but in online they are eating between them, stop their mic, stop their camera, and they are eating their breakfast, and that's all. Thank you.
Your name? Suhani spoke better. Then her point is your name? Lovely. Lovely spoke when we are sick, so then we can attend the class at the home. But she spoke when we are in the village, so connection was the problem is there. So okay. So what's your point? Your name?
Ma'am, my name is Aditi. In my point of view, we can say in rural area there are not good schools. So in rural area we can take online classes, and there are not so good schools, and it converts money also, and it helps poor people who are not able to pay high fees to the schools. And
Your name? Aditi spoke we can't pay a lot of fees in the school. So she wants online classes are better. So you want something? You want to say?
Yes, she spoke very well, but I have some doubts that she's saying that online classes is much better, but I have point that offline classes are much better. That some people are poor, they open their grocery shop, but in there was one biggest diseases come COVID-19. In that all of them shopping from online, that the poor people could not able to run their houses. Thank you.
So yes, what's your point?
My name is Charan Kajal. I am saying to if your offline classes when we have the
Can I hear your name please first?
Charan Kajal.
Charan.
in our offline classes, when we have doubt in our classes, so we can directly ask them. Put in online classes, we can not solve our doubts with the teachers or our someone easily class, because in the online classes we all the doesn't have the good network connected, and in a offline classes all the students are present in the some on the observe or absent the offline classes. Then in a next day they did classes present class put in the online classes, they doesn't ask then teachers doubts, and it is a better in a offline classes.
She spoke better कि like offline classes are better. Like communication it's must with the teacher and student. She is saying. So what's your point?
My name is Aditya. My point is online classes are better than offline classes because in lockdown the virus is spreading. So we were not able to come to school. So we take online classes at home, front of parents, and we pass through online classes. We pass the 6th and 7th class, and by which our study is not affected. And she said in rural areas the poor don't able to poor families don't able to study their children at high schools and private schools, so their children are going to government
So you
schools.
are saying कि like online classes are better कि poor people then they can't afford the school fee.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So anybody? Yes, Yuganshi.
Good morning. My name is Yugansha, and I'm here about to tell some points in about online classes. Offline classes. Offline classes is much better than the online classes because in offline classes we can solve our doubts with our teachers, but in the online classes they don't ask from the teachers directly because of some network issues. All students don't have good network connection in their houses or in their phones. But in the online class we can directly ask from the teachers what's their doubts, and teachers focus all the students. But in the online classes teachers don't do this because he's focused on this what he studies in the online classes to the students, and students do not ask from the teachers what their doubt, and they ask from their friends or Googles. But sometimes all the students don't understand what the teacher do in the online classes, so they ask directly to the Google, and sometimes Google use very hard or typical language, so they can't understand. So I prefer only offline classes.
Yuganshi spoke better कि actually she wants offline classes because teachers are present in the classroom. So students then they can solve the problems in the class. Okay. So what's your point, Yuvraj?
My name is Yuvraj Singh and I am in the favor of online classes. Online classes is better than offline because the spread of corona virus due to we take classes from home. If we have injury in hand or leg, so in offline we take holidays, but in online we can take classes from home, and anyone anywhere we can take classes. In online classes we are front of our mother father. In online classes we save petrol. Nowadays in school digital boards affect our eyes, but why online our study did not affect, and we can buy grocery items online. Thank you.
And Yuvraj also spoke better कि his point is like online classes are better कि if you are sick then if you get injured, so then we can attend the class at the home. And yes, you have a doubt. Okay.
Ma'am, I have some doubt that he is saying in classroom digital boards and that's all. But in online classes we have mobile phone. We are sitting continue and seeing mobile.